You've seen all these people on YouTube talking about how they're making multiple streams of income, they're making money online, and they're actually making money from their YouTube channel. Well, I am sick of sitting on the sidelines, and I'm sure you are too, so welcome to day one of me learning how to monetize my small YouTube channel and showing you exactly how you can do it too. Over the next however many weeks, months, years it might take for me to be able to monetize my channel, I'm going to show you exactly what happens. I'm going to be extremely vulnerable. We're going to share all of the ups and downs, and I'm going to be extremely transparent, which means you are going to see the back end every single week of exactly what my account looks like today when I'm starting and what it's going to look like in a month's time, 2 months' time, and fingers crossed, exactly what it looks like when we're monetized. Hi, welcome to my little side of the internet. 3 years ago, I decided to quit my engineering job, my stable 9 to 5, and pursue the dream of traveling and making money online. We recently, my husband and my 3 kids and I, moved back to Australia after traveling full-time for 2 years. This definitely would not have been possible if it wasn't for my online digital product business, and I'm so grateful that we were able to do that and have those experiences. But now that we are back in Australia, wow, it is so much more expensive than living in Southeast Asia, which for anyone who's traveled probably, isn't some great big news for you that Australia is more expensive than other parts of the world, especially like Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia. But because we are back, it means it's time for me to bring in another income stream for my family so that we can keep living this amazing life and I never have to go back to an office. And I've decided that is going to be YouTube. If you are interested in starting your own online digital product business, I have a free guide that goes through digital products, affiliate marketing, and a workbook to help you get started, completely free. You can go and grab that and have a look, but you know exactly where that's going to be. So what exactly do you need to be able to achieve to be able to monetize your small YouTube account in 2024? There are, of course, multiple ways that you can make money with a YouTube account. However, like that default, this is what I need to do to make money on YouTube is AdSense. So a lot of people use AdSense, which are the payments that you receive for ads that play before and during your YouTube videos. To be able to get paid for these by YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So the 1,000 subscribers can be over any period of time, but the 4,000 watch hours needs to be in a 12-month period for you to be eligible to make money from AdSense. If you go and have a look at my channel, you'll see that I already have 6 videos uploaded. Now, I uploaded my first video on the 19th of April 2021 and video number 6 on the 14th of May 2022. So I uploaded 6 videos in the first 12 months of my account, and then I never uploaded again. Now, this is definitely not how anyone is going to be able to grow on YouTube, especially if the goal is to be able to be monetized. Which is exactly why I'm calling today day one, because today is the day that we're going to take this seriously and we're going to stick to it, and there are no more excuses that this can't happen for you, because I'm going to make it happen for me, and I hope you follow along because it means we're going to be able to make it happen for you too. Full transparency here, so let's go and have a look at my backend analytics and let's see what we're working with and exactly what I still need to be able to achieve to monetize this account. All right, so these are my lifetime analytics. You can see up here on the right, says the 9th of March 2021 to the 9th of June 2024. So in the entire lifespan of my channel, remembering I haven't uploaded anything in 2 years, I have 15,000 views, 917 watch hours, and 585 YouTube subscribers. So to be monetized on this channel, I need to hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I'm halfway there with my subscriber count because it can be over any period of time, doesn't have to be a set thing. But for me to be able to be monetized, I need to have 4,000 watch time hours in a 12-month period. So let's change this to the last 365 days. And this gives us a bit more of an idea of what I'm actually working with to get to that monetization stage. So if you have an account that you've had for a while, definitely make sure you're looking at the last 365 days and not the lifetime of your account. So you'll see that all my arrows are gray and they're all pointing down, which should be expected because I haven't posted anything in 2 years.
But in the last 365 days, and this is what I want to point out to you of why I'm trying to make YouTube work and why you should be looking at creating a YouTube channel. This is a completely dormant account, which means I have not posted. Okay, I did one random little shorts, kind of like YouTube shorts here. But besides that, I haven't posted anything in 2 years. On a completely dormant account, I still grew by 51 people and got 114 watch hours. Of course, those watch hours are not even remotely close to what I need to be monetized. But to think that, like, if I didn't post for 2 years on TikTok or on Instagram, there is no way my analytics would look like this. So the fact that without doing anything, this account is still technically not growing, but it's still just, ticking over. YouTube is still pushing videos out. I am still getting views. I'm still getting subscribers without doing anything. So imagine, for me, for 1 second, imagine what this account is going to look like in 12 months' time. Imagine what your account could look like in 12 months' time. If, like me, we just get started.
So why am I even making a series about monetizing a small YouTube account in 2024 when I haven't actually done it myself? Well, it's partly for me and it's partly for you. This is going to be like my own little video diary, my seeing what happens for me from beginning to end, all the ups and downs, but also like that little bit of accountability. Like I said, I gave YouTube a try quite a few years ago now and I wasn't able to stick with it. So much happened over that time for that to be what happened. And if you want to know kind of why I wanted to get started, why things fell off and why we're starting again, let me know in the comments and I'm happy to go through all of that in a separate video. But I want to be held accountable. So this little video diary is my accountability for me, but also I'm going to hope that you guys are going to keep me accountable too. And then I want to do this for you. I want you to be able to see that if you want to do something that you can, if you want to make money online, you can. If you want to monetize your YouTube account with zero experience, because I have none before this. I did those 6 videos. You can go back and watch them. They're definitely not, like, it was a lot. I was very shy. I've never filmed in front of the camera before. I've never really grown an account around me. On YouTube, I do have a TikTok account, which I managed to grow. I have no idea how, but there's that. And again, we stopped filming that stuff. So here we are. This is accountability for me and to show you that you can do this too if it's something you really want to do. So I'm going to be vulnerable and I'm going to be transparent and I'm going to share everything with you. And if that means picking up the camera on a Wednesday because I've lost half my subscribers and I am in tears, I'll do that because it's part of growing a business and hopefully it's not part of YouTube for me, but who knows, it might be. And I hope by me doing this that I inspire you to do something for yourself as well. So what are the next steps in monetizing my small YouTube channel? I need to film videos. I need to film, I need to upload, and I need to be consistent. So every Tuesday, I'm going to film, edit, and upload this video all in the one day so that I can be up to date with analytics and share that with you. Which means that the analytics you see each week from me are going to be Monday to Monday, not like Monday to Sunday or Sunday to Sunday, because I've got 3 kids. I have twins, I have a kid in high school. Filming, editing, scripting, uploading, all of that on the weekend just isn't a possibility for me. And besides making money, this is also all about building a sustainable long-term business, which means I need to make it work around my family, and you definitely can. So we're going to do that, which means Tuesdays, you're going to get all of those analytic videos from me, see what we're up to, and I want to share with you what I've learned that week. What do I plan on implementing next week to make it better? And get feedback from you. I want you to pick apart my videos. I want you to tell me what you want to see. I want you to tell me what I'm doing wrong. Please give me all the feedback you can so that I can make this channel the best thing it can possibly be. And then on Thursdays, I'm going to film we'll call it my main video for my channel. And this is the video that is going to help you build your own online business, whether that is affiliate marketing, digital marketing, creating courses, selling your own products, whatever it is. I'm going to try and make videos about it for you. So if you are interested in that side of things, definitely let me know in the comments what type of videos, what type of businesses have you already built, what do you want help with? Because I want to make sure that I'm making videos that you actually want to watch. Be sure to subscribe to get notified of my next video, which will be on 5 alternative online income streams. And I'm also going to share with you my 5 income streams that I had when I earned my first $100,000 online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I will see you all on Thursday.